I am Meenal from Art of Living, representing Gurudev Shri Shri Ravi Shankar. So we are in more than 180 countries celebrating International Yoga Day. She is Madhuri. She is my co-host. She'll be demonstrating yoga and I'll be giving instructions, and you people can follow the same. Clear? Bend your neck to the right side. Breathe in. Hold. Come to the center. Breathe out. Left. Breathe in center. Breathe out right. Breathe in center. We'll do some shoulder rotations. What we'll do is breathe in, chin to the chest, and then from the right side we'll start rotating. Very slow and gentle movement. We will observe our breathing and rotate. Make it very slow. What we'll do is first chin to the chest. Slowly your head should go towards your shoulders. Go back. Come forward. Breathe in, chin to the chest. Shoulder blade should touch your ears. Then go back and then come forward. And your shoulder should touch your rib cage. Breathe in, start rotating. When you come to the center, you should join hands and then again breathe in. Okay, join your hands, join your elbows. Take your left leg, open your palms, stretch your fingers, press them. Yeah, is it paining? Yeah? If not, you'll have to stretch them more. Pull the fingers inwards, outwards, and relax. Breathe out. Breathe in 7. Breathe out. Breathe in 8. Breathe out. Slowly start raising up. This is only the first round. Now, we'll do the second round with more enthusiasm. Okay? Breathe in, go down, go down, go down. Hold, hold, hold. Breathe in, start raising up. Now what we'll do is, we'll join our legs. We'll join our legs like this. Both the legs will join. Okay? Now butterfly pose. We have beautiful butterflies. Start flapping, start flapping. Yes, fast, fast, fast. Yeah? Yeah, yeah. See, he started doing it. Let us see how many of us are able to do it. Nice, 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 nice. Little more faster, little more faster. Slowly breathe in. Get up. This was just a trial round. One more time, breathe in. Go down, go down, go down, go down, go down. Hold. Breathe in, come up. With the other hand now. Breathe in. Bend to the right. Breathe out, come up again. One more time. Go down. Breathe in, come up. Slowly put your leg down. Then, with the second leg, keep breathing, keep breathing. Now put your legs down. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. to maintain a balanced state of mind all the times. It is this state that my growth reaches its fullest potential. I pledge to fulfill my responsibilities to myself, my family, my work, my education, my society, and the world to promote peace, health and harmony. Thank you. Jai Gurudev. Let me thank the management of Queen's Global School for giving us an opportunity on the 11th International Yoga Day. It was pleasure, and I would also like to thank the students of the school who had enthusiastically participated in the Yoga Day. I would say yoga is not only for one day, it's a union of mind, body and soul. So the union of these three is yoga, which is a way of life which should be followed by each and every individual, and it would help all the students in their studies, in their health, and overall for the society as such. I once again thank the management for giving us an opportunity.